With the problem of traffic congestion in Shillong getting worse by the day and in the absence of adequate solutions, the traffic department is now looking at technological interventions to ease the problems. The state police has decided to use drones to regulate traffic in the capital city. Informing this on Monday, Director General of Police Dr. L.R. Bishnoi said the idea of using drone was propounded by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Police officials would visit other states and cities to find out how drones can be effectively used to address traffic woes. The traffic officials would also be provided with training on how to operate the drones, Bishnoi said. The state government is already examining a proposal to procure a number of drones for the purpose.
I'm sending my officers, team of traffic officers. They will go to the secretariat where the drone is already functioning, and they will understand how we can use them for the monitoring of the traffic congestion point. So little bit training is required. So once they are through after training, so then we will start using it. First we will procure the drones as per our requirement. For that proposal is under consideration. So hopefully soon we will be able to procure.